Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab something that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the Kenwood KAC-M5001, which is a Kenwood Class D compact monobloc digital marine amp, 600 watts, 2 ohms. The Kenwood KAC-M5001 is a monomarine subwoofer amplifier that's designed to deliver powerful bass and providing up to 300 watts RMS, making it an excellent choice for enhancing audio experiences both on land and at sea. Its compact design allows for versatile installation, fitting easily into storage compartments on boats, motorcycles, ATVs, or any vehicle with superior bass performance is desired. The amplifier is built to withstand harsh environments with a conformal-coated circuit board, IP67 and IP66 rated covers, and a sturdy chassis, ensuring reliable performance in the presence of water spray and dirt. This amp is engineered for seamless integration with various audio systems, offering compatibility with both aftermarket receivers and factory radios. It accepts input signals from RCA cables and high-level wiring with high-level inputs that can automatically trigger an amplifier without needing to separate remote turn-on LED. The KAC-M5001 also features a low-pass filter for sound optimization and comes with a wired remote control for easy bass adjustments from the driver's seat, enhancing the overall user experience. In terms of performance, the KAC-M5001 utilizes a Class D amplifier tech, delivering 200 watts RMS at 4 ohms and 300 watts RMS at 2 ohms. It offers a range of sound customization options, including a variable low-pass filter, bass boost, and a fixed subsonic filter to tailor the output audio to the subwoofer and its enclosure. The amplifier is designed to endure rigors in marine environments with an IP67 and 66 rated chassis, as I said, a conformal-coated circuit board, and an ASTM B117 salt spray proof rating, making it a durable and reliable choice for marine and power sport enthusiasts. And its price comes down to $279.99. If you're interested in purchasing this, you can get it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/Kenwood. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and also comment something you would like to see unboxed. In the meantime, thank you for watching.